Hey guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we are going to be opening up the cheapest subscription box that I have to date, the Walmart Beauty Box. Walmart Beauty Box is $5 per box, and you're actually not even paying for anything in the box. You're just paying the shipping costs to get the box to you. The box contains sample sizes, and all of the products are available, of course, at Walmart. This box is seasonal, which means you get 4 per year, corresponding with each season: spring, summer, fall, and winter. That means total annually for all 4 boxes is $20. This box comes with a mixture of full-size and trial-size items. Last time, I really loved everything I got in my box. I actually did a video where we compared the Walmart Beauty Box to the Target Beauty Box because they're both kind of similar in price, $5 and $7. So we were just comparing to see which one was the better deal. If you're interested in that video, I will link it above my head and somewhere down in the description as well. This time, this video, I am just opening the Walmart Beauty Box. There's a really good survey. They have a very extensive survey. I wouldn't say it's the most extensive survey I took, but for the fact that you're paying for $5 for the box and it's samples of things they have in their store, they really do have a lot of questions. I can already see that there definitely are full-size items in my box. This box does not come with a card, but I will do all the calculations and I will put the information above me how much the retail value of each item is. First things first, right on top, I see this Salon Perfect Design nail set. It says it contains 24 nails, a nail file, and professional nail glue. These seem to be all the rage lately. People just don't have the time to get a manicure, so everyone's using the stickers. I personally am currently using the Color Street stickers. Don't have any right now, but that's kind of what I have been using. And I just got new ones that I'm gonna try from a new company, and there will be a video about that soon, that are press-ons. And these look like they are glue-ons. The design is marble with gold, and that's kind of what I'm trying to go for in my room soon. I am obsessed with marble, and I have been for a really long time. It's either marble or leopard print. Those are just the things that I really love. These are gonna go perfectly because they are marble, and then they have these like gold accents. Next up, we have a toothbrush. This is from the brand Hello. It is a charcoal infused tapered bristles, naturally friendly, BPA free toothbrush. I actually received this toothbrush, I believe, in a Target box as well. I have received this already. I do like that it is charcoal, completely biodegradable. Like, people that choose bamboo toothbrushes are choosing them because they're gonna be biodegradable. If you think about it, the first toothbrush that you ever used is alive somewhere. It is sitting somewhere. But I am glad that I got this. It still probably will be used. I do use regular toothbrushes when I travel. It will still get some use out of it, and charcoal's supposed to be really good at whitening your teeth. I am a chronic iced coffee drinker, like 3 or 4 iced coffees a day status. My teeth always need a little bit of help. To go with that lovely toothbrush, we also got this Hello, same brand, anti-plaque and whitening fluoride-free toothpaste. It says it is in natural peppermint with tea tree and coconut oil. I want to be able to get the taste and the scent. It has a good feel to it. It has a good scent to it. I do like the ingredient list. It doesn't have any artificial sweeteners in it, so it actually does give it a more natural peppermint taste to it than the artificial peppermint taste that you get from some other toothpaste. It's fluoride free, it's also paraben free, so overall this is a pretty good product and very nice size for travel as well. Next up, I think that I got a tea. It says Calm on there, and it has some little fruit down here at the bottom. The back of the package says serving size 1 packet. Magnesium 235 milligrams. So it looks like this is a supplement. And and it said calm. That's interesting that calm would be a magnesium supplement. I didn't really know that. I know it's good for your muscles and I know it's good for your bones, I believe, but I will do a little bit of research and I will come back and tell you in just a minute if it helps with calming your mood as well. Here's a list of what magnesium can do. Number 1, bone health. Good for our bones. Calcium is good, but so is magnesium. Number 2, diabetes. It does show that it reduces your risk of getting type 2 diabetes. Number 3, cardiovascular health. Number 4, it helps with migraine headaches. Number 5, it helps with PMS and anxiety. It also has anti-inflammatory benefits. After a crazy workout or anything like that, it helps reduce soreness if you take magnesium. I've never used it for any of the other things, but it looks like this one is focusing on anxiety and reducing anxiety, which I definitely need. I actually have an anxiety disorder, so for me, anything helps. Every little bit helps. Next up, we have some sample sizes. This is Suave Professional's Curl Defining Cream. And one of the questions is about your hair type. I listed that I have curly hair because naturally I have curly hair. I just straighten it all the time. And this says for naturally curly and coily hair. So that's really cool. It has shea butter and coconut oil. And I'm excited to try this. I hope that it works. Both do the same thing. So it looks like I have 2 serving sizes, I guess. Your hair probably doesn't do servings, but I have 2 chances to try it out and see if I like it. And last, I have a Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal Daily Purifying Cleanser. So this says that it deeply cleans your pores, and charcoal is known to absorb the oil and other disgusting stuff we have in our pores, so I definitely can see how that would work. Rose Quartz, I'm wondering if that has a similar property or if that is more for exfoliation, but I will of course look it up. It's gonna be like 2 seconds for you guys.
A few moments later.
So rose quartz is known as the crystal or gemstone, whatever you would call it, of self-love. And there's only a couple products that I found other than rose quartz rollers that actually use it like this in a cleanser. And both of them just say it's to inspire that self-love feeling. So it's not an actual benefit of the rose quartz physically doing something. It's more of, if you believe in the energy of these stones, what it's doing with its energy about self-love and loving your skin. So the main purifier is in fact the charcoal. Calculating the retail value of this box, it turned out to be $13.72. I know the value sounds low when you think about other beauty boxes saying we're worth $60 or whatever, but if you think about it percentage-wise, you're paying $5 and you're almost getting 3 times the value, because $15 would be triple what you're paying. So I think it's still a really good deal. Out of everything that I got, I actually think I'm gonna use it all. There's nothing in here that I really feel like I need to steer clear from. A lot of it is natural-based products with natural-based ingredients, this one being kind of the only exception to that. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Do you think this box is worth $5? I almost think anything's worth $5 to try stuff out. Even if I didn't love the whole box, I probably would still consider it worth $5, because annually $20, that's like giving up 4 Starbucks. I could do that. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite item, if you have a favorite item from this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!